Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 2, the Northern Mountains. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the Northern Mountain, that is your Himalayas, different zones of Himalayan ranges, life of the people and northeastern hills. जो कहाँ lie करती है, east में lie करती है. So Northern Mountain includes Himalaya and Karakoram mountain ranges. Himalaya is the highest mountain in the world, or the word Himalaya means head above ice. It extends from Kashmir and Ladakh in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. It looks like an R. Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, north part of West Bengal, and eastern states lies in the Himalayan region. So here lies your Himalayan ranges. You can see here. Right, this is your Himalayan range and this is Eastern Himalaya. So let's study about the zones of Himalayan region. What are the different zones? They run parallel ranges from north to south, right? Series hai Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya. These are the different Himalaya. Right, so Greater or Upper Himalaya, which is also called Himadri. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? हिमाद्री कहते हैं. नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट रेंज है आपकी हिमालय की, हाईएस्ट है. एवरेज हाइट जो है वो 6000 मीटर है अबव द सी लेवल एंड माउंट एवरेस्ट इज द हाईएस्ट पीक ओवर हेयर and which is in Nepal. Karakoram range lies in China, Pakistan and India, which is its highest peak is K2, which is situated both in the Pakistan also and China also, and it is the second highest peak in the world. Kanchenjunga, it that is Dholagiri और नंदा देवी, ये कुछ अदर peaks हैं जो आपकी हिमालय रेंज में लाई करती है. And then we have Kanchenjunga, which is the highest peak in India. Many mountaineers they tried to climb these peaks. We have Tenzing Norgay of India and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand. These were the first person to climb Mount Everest in 1953. We have woman Bichindri Pal also climbed this peak in 1984 and the high peak always remained covered with ice. No plants grow, no animals live here. Big pieces of ice move down very slowly into the valleys and form glacier. What are valleys? These are low areas between mountains or hills. Most of our big rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra come from these glaciers. और ये जो rivers होती है, they get water from the Himalayas all the year and they keep on flowing throughout the year. और ये flow करते हैं throughout the year. Then we have lesser Himalaya और middle Himalaya और उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? हिमाचल कहते हैं. So average height जो है वो कितनी है? 5000 meter above the sea level. It has many passes. A narrow way over through a mountain is called pass and there are thick forest. यहाँ पे आपको forest देखने को मिलेंगे पाइन के, सिडार, ओक और फर है. Weather कैसी है? Cool and pleasant है over here. Millions of tourists visit during summer. They also come to watch snowfall in winter. We have Srinagar, Shimla, Kullu, Manali, Mussoorie, Almora, Nainital and Darjeeling, which are the beautiful hill station. And we have Kedarnath and Badrinath also in this range. Now lower Himalaya Shivalik. It's the lowest range of the Himalaya. Average height जो है वो कितनी है इसकी? 1250 meter above the sea level. It gets heavy rainfall during summer. Rainfall कैसी होती है? बहुत ज़्यादा heavy होती है और कब होती है? Summer में होती है. So the slopes are covered with thick forest. और जो इसके slopes हैं वो किससे covered होते हैं? Thick forest से. So there are many valleys between lower and middle Himalaya, which is called Doon, like Dehradun. It is such a valley. So the land at the foot of the Shivalik range is very fertile. It is called Tarai region. It is covered with long grass and thick forest of teak, cane, bamboo and sal. It is regarded as a storehouse of wood. We have tigers, elephant, panthers, deer and dinosaurs that live here. Now northeastern hills. So the mountain in the northeast are not very high. They are really hills and the northeastern hills are Patkai Hill, Naga Hill or Lusai Hill. Right? We have Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. They get heavy rainfall in summer and they are covered with green forest. किससे covered होता है? Green forest से. Now, uses of the Himalaya. Himalayas जो है, these are very useful for India and it guards our border, northern border. It protects us from very cold and dry winds. जो कहाँ से आ रही है? साइबेरिया से आ रही है. ठीक है? So the Himalayas checks rain bearing clouds जो आपके seas से आ रहे हैं and the rain heavily all along the northern plain. Huge store of high ice and rain water that fed the river all over year round. The river, what do? They irrigate the plain. वो plain area को irrigate करता है. in the generation of hydroelectricity. Forest and wild animals, they form our natural wealth over here. The forest gives us valuable furniture, wood and herbs over here. Now, life in the northern mountains. If I talk about the life, the lands which are inverted do it influence the life of people at different places. And the lifestyle of the people is different from different place to India. The number of rivers जो rise करती है from northern mountains, they have formed narrow and fertile valley. People live among these valleys. और ये valleys किसके लिए famous है? Orchards के लिए. And what are orchards yield? They are rich crop that are grown year after year. The farmers cut wide steps on gentle hill slopes. These steps are used as small fields. इनको हम terrace field भी कहते हैं and rice is mainly grown in such field. यहाँ पे आपको क्या देखने को मिलेगा? Rice देखने को मिलेगा. We people rear sheep and goat over here. Some people are vendors. What do? They sell goods the people need and they use yak and mules to carry their loads. किसका use करता है? yak का और mules का. Then Ladakh people is said to be the most simple and cheerful in nature. Even their lifestyle is very simple and they prefer to remain close to nature. ये किसके पास रहते हैं? Nature से. The people of Ladakh traditionally lead a nomadic pastoral life. The most prominent occupation in Ladakh is agriculture. जो सबसे prominent occupation है लोगों की वो क्या है? Agriculture है. So if we talk in life in Ladakh is made harsher by extreme temperature. It is blessed by men. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी बुद्धिस्ट मॉनेस्ट्री देखने को मिलेगी. People of Ladakh love to eat momos, थोका मतलब staple food है इनका, सिकायू और चाटूगी. They wear yak and pashmina. They wear yak and pashmina shop. Ladakh is famous for its scenic beauty, unique culture, exciting adventure sports, and Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Next, we have Jammu and Kashmir. The Kashmir Valley is very beautiful. Glittering lake. ये बहुत beautiful है. Glittering lake surrounded by trees, snowy and sunny mountains. Look like heaven on earth. The famous Dal Lake is situated in Srinagar. There are many houseboats in this lake. Tourists stay in these boats. Tourists कहाँ stay करते हैं इन boats में? Thousands of tourists visit Kashmir Valley each year. Devotees come to the Amarnath cave and Vaishno Devi. Gulmarg is famous for a fine meadows over here. Both men and women wear loose woolen shirt called firan over here. With the firan, they wear a salwar. In winter, they hang kangris under the firans to keep them warm. A kangri is small cane basket with an earthen fire pot inside. So Kashmiris like to drink khawa, a green tea. People in Jammu and Kashmir speak Kashmiri, Ladakhi, Dogri and Urdu. They are fond of singing and dancing. Their roof dance is very popular. Kashmiri जो farmers थे, what they do? They grow rice over here in the valley or hill slopes. बहुत सारे fruits और charts भी यहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं जैसे peaches, pear, apple, apricot, cherries, walnuts and almonds. Saffron is also grown and here a little saffron in any dish gives color, scent and taste. Some people are engaged in animal grazing and dairy. कुछ लोग यहाँ पे आपको गुड क्राफ्ट्समैन देखने को मिलेंगे, राइट? दे वीव वुलन क्लोथ्स, पश्मीना शॉल, blankets and carpets. Some of them makes handicrafts of wood, brass and paper. Machi. Himachal Pradesh, mountains, hills, valleys and river in the Himachal Pradesh is found. शिमला इसकी कैपिटल है हिमाचल प्रदेश की. यहाँ पे आपको टॉय ट्रेन देखने को मिलेगी. कुल्लू मनाली ये टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है कुछ यहाँ के. एंड कुफरी ये कुछ हिल स्टेशन है. एंड वी हैव ज्वालामुखी टेम्पल इन कांगड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ विच इज वेरी फेमस. इट इज सिंपल, हॉनेस्ट एंड हार्ड वर्किंग people over here. They like to wear bright color clothes. कैसे clothes पहनते हैं? Bright color. What they speak Hindi and Pahari language. They are fond of dancing and flute playing. Nati is a popular folk dance over here. The people celebrate Dussehra, Shivratri and Diwali with great pomp and show. Kullu and Kangra Valley, they are specially famous for their Dussehra celebration. Farming क्या है? Main occupation है. The food crop like wheat, maize, potato, rice are grown here. Fruits like apples, apricots, plums, peaches, grapes are also grown. Some people are good craftsmen over there. They make what? Wooden toys and trails along with shawls and carpets. Next we have Garhwal and Kumaon region of Uttarakhand. ऑन गोइंग जब हम नॉर्थ टू ईस्ट जाते हैं, जो मिडल पार्ट होता है हिमालय का, वो कहाँ लाया करता है? स्टेट ऑफ उत्तराखंड. Locally, the area is called Garhwal and Kumaon. Mussoorie is in Garhwal, Nainital and Kumaon. These are the famous hill stations. The Ganga, Yamuna and many small rivers rise from here. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath or Badrinath. These are the mountains that are famous places of pilgrimage and tourist interest. People यहाँ पे ब्राइट कलर के क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं, लॉन्ग शर्ट्स पहनते हैं, पजामास पहनते हैं. दे ग्रो राइस, wheat, maize and vegetable ware, and some people rear sheep and goat also. Sikkim, what it is? It is small state, wholly situated in the Himalayas. It is just between Bhutan and Nepal. Kanchenjunga highest peak, third highest peak in the world. Gangtok इसकी capital है सिक्किम की. And Botias, Lekchas and Nepalese people live in Sikkim. What do? They wear colorful clothes. They wear masks while they dance. They play music on long bamboo horns. Food of the people is rice, pulses, vegetable and yak milk. Farming is the main occupation. Oranges, apples, cardamom, areca nuts, and ginger are in major products. Weaving and handicraft. These are the main cottage industry. Next, we have Darjeeling. It is the hilly area near Sikkim in the state of West Bengal. ये most famous hill station है and where it is situated in the east part of India. Darjeeling hills किसके लिए जानी जाती है? High quality tea के लिए. Then we have northeastern hilly region. किसका पार्ट है ये? ईस्टर्न हिमालय का. It is spread over 7 states. Like we have Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura or Mizoram. These states are known as seven sister states. Most parts of Assam and Tripura lies in this state. And bamboo and cane are very important in the life of the people here. They use bamboo to make what? Fences, houses, stair off, benching the house, bridges over the streams. Right? The tribal are very fond of dances. On special occasion, they wear their traditional dress. And the ladies, what they do? They put on long skirt made of colorful strip clothes. Now we have Arunachal Pradesh. It is the only state from where the sun rises the first, and it is quite a big state and with thin population. Different tribes live here. Each tribe has its own language. अपनी language है, अपना dress, अपना dance, सब कुछ है. And there's beautiful lake and very old fort here. People mostly are farmers. What they grow? Rice, maize, millets, tobacco, oilseed. And Mithun, a wild buffalo, what it is? It is a domestic animal. Now Meghalaya. We have three main tribes over here. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. Each tribe has its own language, dress and lifestyle. People like colorful clothes. They are fond of dance and music here. Most of the people are farmers or hunters over here. Their food is rice, pork and fish. They make handicrafts or weave clothes over here. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. It's a beautiful hill station. We have Masing Ram. Receives the highest rainfall in the world. Next, we have Nagaland, that is Kohima, capital of Nagaland. Nagas have about 16 tribes. यहाँ पे आपको कितने tribes देखने को मिलेंगी? 16. और they are fond of dance and music. Here you will see they wear colorful clothes which are decorated with shells, bones, ivories, feathers and horns. Right? Then we have Nagas. They are mostly farmers and hunters. What they grow? Rice and maize. Naga women, what they weave? Very beautiful clothes over here. Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. People wear colorful clothes and woven at home. They eat rice, pulses, fish and vegetable. They are fond of dance and music. And Manipuri dance is famous over here. And farming is the main occupation. What do farmer grow? Rice, sugar cane, tobacco and vegetables. Next, we have pineapple and oranges are also widely grown here. Let's see the next state, that is Mizoram. Iswal is its capital. Most of the people belong to Mizo tribe. They speak Mizo language and what they eat? Rice, fish, vegetable and fruits. They're fond of dance and music. Bamboo dance is most popular. Farming is the main occupation over here. Jhum farming is still common. People wear clothes and make beautiful articles from what? Bamboo, cane and wood. Right? While going to Nagaland forest, what precaution would you take? Discuss about at least 3 protector things that you will carry where with you. right? So this was all in this question. So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.